Tesla vehicles use electronic door systems, which are convenient but can fail due to power outages, software issues, or mechanical problems. This video will guide you through manually opening doors on Model 3, Y, S, and X, crucial for emergencies. In recent years, recalls and investigations highlighted the importance of these manual overrides, so understanding them is vital for your safety. All Tesla models have an internal manual release mechanism that allows you to open the doors mechanically, even without power. To use it, locate the lever or cable near the inside door handle on the door panel. For Model S and X, the internal release is typically a red tab located near the door handle area. In Model 3 and Y, the internal release is a hidden latch located under the door trim panel. Once located, pull this lever or cable firmly to mechanically release the door latch and open the door. Most importantly, this internal manual release method works even when the vehicle has no power, making it a reliable emergency backup. Newer Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, built after 2024, include an external manual release feature. This was added to improve safety and accessibility when the car's electrical system isn't working. The external manual release is located underneath the exterior door handle. You'll see a small pull tab or lever. To open the door, simply tug it downwards firmly. This feature enhances safety by providing access even when the car's electrical system is unresponsive. If you have an older Model 3 or Model Y, contact Tesla service for a retrofit kit to add this external release. Your Tesla key fob contains a physical blade key that serves as a backup to the electronic systems. To use it, locate the keyhole near the driver's side door handle. It may be hidden under a cover that needs to be pulled back. Insert the physical key into the keyhole and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door. This method works even if the car's electronics are completely down, making it a reliable backup. Always keep the physical key accessible, perhaps in your wallet or a dedicated spot. First, locate the red manual release tab near the inside door handle. Next, pull the tab firmly. This will mechanically disengage the door latch. Then push the door open. If you have child locks engaged on the rear doors, disengage them first. Remember to familiarize yourself with this process beforehand. First, locate the hidden manual release latch under the interior door trim panel, or use the external pull tab under the door handle if your vehicle is equipped with it. Second, pull the latch or tab firmly to release the door lock. Third, push the door open to exit the vehicle. Practice locating these release points so you can quickly use them in an emergency. Always test the manual release functions on your Tesla regularly to ensure they work properly. This simple maintenance step can prevent issues during emergencies. Ensure everyone who drives or rides in your Tesla knows how to use the manual release functions. Share this knowledge with family members and regular passengers. After any software update, double-check that the manual releases are still functioning correctly. Tesla updates can sometimes affect these safety mechanisms. Always carry your physical key as a backup. This ensures you can manually unlock the vehicle even if electronic systems fail or if the key fob stops working. If you encounter any issues with the manual release functions or have concerns about their operation, contact Tesla service immediately for assistance and potential repairs. Tesla is continually improving safety features, including door release mechanisms. Expect increased integration of manual and electronic systems, creating a hybrid approach that combines reliability with modern technology. Future software updates like Tesla's V13 expected in 2026 may include AI-driven emergency unlocks that automatically detect situations requiring door access, such as crashes or power failures. Regulatory bodies like the NHTSA are driving standardization across electric vehicles, mandating enhanced manual release features and potentially unified safety standards by 2030. However, manual overrides remain fundamental for safety, addressing cybersecurity risks and ensuring access when all else fails. Tesla is investing in tamper-proof designs to protect these essential failsafes. Stay informed about over-the-air updates and practice using the manual releases on your Tesla regularly to ensure you're prepared for any situation.